All right, this is the front foot elevated split squat. And this is a unilateral movement, which means we do one leg at a time. That's getting the primary work. Okay, so it's gonna be more balance, a little more control. Basically, you wanna take I like to use a plate, get it about 1.5 inches, 2 inches, maybe at the most 3 inches off the ground. Right, if you wanted to go 2 plates or something like that, you can do that, but 1 plate is usually enough. And what this plate does is just allows you to get a little bit more range of motion in this hip, this front hip. Get a little extra range of motion in the hip because your foot's a little higher. So your knee goes higher in position to your hip than it normally would. That's gonna increase your range of motion as well as activate your glutes a little bit more, okay? So you're gonna get into this position, make sure your toes are down on the ground, okay? This is your finished position here at the top. All you're gonna do is think about taking this back knee and touch the ground with it, okay? I don't want you leaning in like this, right? You're gonna get up straight, push off with your heel on the front foot, drop the back knee to the ground. Then you're gonna take your heel, try to push through the center of your foot and stand up again. That's 1, right? Tap the ground, that's 2. Tap the ground, that's 3, okay? Same thing on the other side. Get your foot flat on the plate, get yourself back. One of the ways you can see how far back you need to go is if you're too close, right, and your knee starts getting really close to this plate or your heel, you're too close. So step back a little bit. All right. Come down. When you're in the down position, the distance between your heel and your knee should be about the same length as your foot. Right? So my knee is in line with my heel. My front toe is touching the plate. That's about the distance that you should have between your front foot and your knee when you come down. Okay? Right, lock out. Touch the back knee to the ground. Come back up again. Notice my front knee isn't coming way far forward. This is not a stretch. This is not a stretch. Okay? Okay, that's front foot elevated split squats.